these are not really the chilies that I got from the local farmers market. They're actually from the repurposed food distribution center. They are nearly going to go into landfill as a result of some sort of best use by date that labeled on this product from the big food chain or supermarket, or you can see a lot of wastage from the restaurants, fast food places, or even the veggie markets. When they have things that are not as perfect, they are a little bit of wrinkles and they looked a little bit dried and they toss it out. Why? They still have value and we can still use it and repurpose them. Don't you think? You know what I can do with this? You know, some of the chilies, as big as this, I could actually slice it in half and then I can stuff it, I can bake them, or some of the people will even have some really good recipes to do some deep fried chili. And I can still think of other things I can do with that. I can dry them up and I can make chili flakes that I can use later on, put them in my pantry, or I can actually turn them into chili sauce. What's wrong with that? You know, we just seen so many things that's been wasted just because they don't look pretty anymore. But is that a necessary thing to throw them away? Remember, our moms and our grandmas always say to us, waste not, want not. Purpose is every food and veggie and fruit and every piece of grain and beans and legumes, they all have their purposes. When we put a best use by date, maybe that's by law, by regulations, common sense still takes place. We need to know if it's not fresh, we can still have it. If the apple is a little bit softer, not crispy anymore, what we can do is turn it into an apple pie. If the lemon has been sitting there for some time and it's not as fresh and looking anymore, what you can do, you can roll them out on a bench, get all that juice out. You can still have the beautiful lemon juice. What's wrong with that? So today, this is what I'm going to get you to think about. All of the food that you bought, things that you left in your fridge for some time, and if you looked at it and it's not as pretty as day one, what are you going to do? Can you put them into a beautiful soup? Can you make a nice casserole? Or can you bake them? Or can you put them in a smoothie and not waste it anymore? Ended up in the landfill unnecessarily. We need to really think about taking care of our land and make use of all of the resources that Mother Nature gave us. So this is something for everyone to ponder. And if you have any questions or any comments, please put it underneath this video. I'd like to hear from you. Or if you have any questions, please ask and I'll try my best to answer you. So until then, be well, be happy.